Welcome to our channel. Complete guide to installing your Eero WiFi extender. Unbox your Eero extender, carefully open the package and check that your Eero extender, power adapter, and user manual are included. Choose the ideal location. Place the Eero extender halfway between your main router and the area where you need stronger Wi-Fi coverage. Power on the extender. Plug the Eero extender into a wall socket and wait for the LED light to turn on, indicating it's ready for setup. Download the Eero app on your smartphone. Install the official Eero app from the App Store or Google Play for easy setup and control. Sign in or create an account. Open the app and either log in with your existing Eero account or create a new one to get started. Start the setup process. Follow the app's on-screen instructions to begin adding a new Eero device to your existing network. Connect to your main Wi-Fi. Select your existing Eero network from the app and allow it to connect to the new extender. Wait for configuration. The app will automatically configure the Eero extender, which may take a few minutes to complete. Confirm the connection. Once setup is complete, the app will confirm that your extender is successfully connected and ready to use. Test your extended Wi-Fi. Move to the low signal areas of your home and check if the Wi-Fi coverage and speed have improved. Thank you for watching.